The 106 is a versatile stapler, capable of flat and saddle stapling, with loop stapling as an optional extra. Switching from flat to saddle stapling requires just a few quick adjustments to the table. The stapling depth is adjusted by turning the bump trip knob counterclockwise and manually pushing back on the bump trip. The stapler impact force is adjusted by a numbered dial on the top of the tool. The depth adjustment, staple reload, and head replacement are all accessed through the front of the tool by a clear sight shield. The loading process is simple. Just pull down on the blue knob and pull the magazine out. Load the staples, close the magazine and sight shield to resume operation. As demonstrated, stapling with the 106 is safe and easy, whether flat or saddle stapling. When the foot pedals connected, the bump trips are disengaged, allowing them to act as a staple guide or reference. Visit us online at amplesupply.com or contact your Ample Supply salesperson today.